Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Today, we're going to show you how to make beautiful chocolate at home in amazing shapes. Make sure to watch the whole video and don't forget to like and share it with your friends. Ingredients: 200 grams of dark chocolate, 200 grams of white chocolate, half a cup of whipping cream, 1 tablespoon of butter, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Preparation method: preparing the dark chocolate. Melt the dark chocolate with a 1/4 cup of whipping cream and 1 tablespoon of butter in a double boiler. Once fully melted, add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract and stir until the mixture is smooth and glossy. Pour the mixture into silicone molds and place them in the freezer for half an hour to set. Preparing the white chocolate. Repeat the same steps with the white chocolate. Melt it with a 1/4 cup of whipping cream and 1 tablespoon of butter in a double boiler. Add the vanilla extract and stir until smooth and glossy. Pour the mixture into specific molds and place them in the freezer for the same amount of time. Decoration: once the chocolate is set, take it out of the freezer and start decorating. Use white chocolate to create beautiful shapes like flowers and hearts. Pour the white chocolate into molds for the desired shapes and leave them in the freezer to set. Secrets to success: use high-quality chocolate. Ensure you use high-quality chocolate to guarantee excellent taste and appearance. Chocolate temperature: the chocolate should be warm, not too hot, when pouring into the molds. Silicone molds: using silicone molds makes it easier to remove the chocolate once it sets. Avoid moisture. Ensure the kitchen is dry and free of moisture to prevent the chocolate from spoiling. Proper cooling: leave the chocolate in the freezer long enough to set properly and achieve an excellent final shape. If you liked this method, don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel, and share the video with your friends. Enjoy!